Hello everyone, let us solve fourth exercise problems of chapter quadratic equation. It is given that find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. First question, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. We need to find its nature of the roots. First, let us compare the given equation with the standard form of a quadratic equation, that is, compare 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0 with its standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to the coefficient of x square, that is a 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to constant term, it is 5. To find the nature of the roots, we need to find out its discriminant value, that is discriminant value b square minus 4ac. So d is equal to b value is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into c value is 5. So discriminant value is 9 minus 4 to the 8, 8 5 is a 40. So discriminant value is minus 31. So it is less than 0. So therefore roots, no real roots exist.